What's up guys, it's Machanga back with another video. It's around this time of the year that a lot of us are upgrading our electronics since there are so many great deals available to save some money. If you're still on the fence about Wi-Fi 6 and you don't want to pay a premium over Wi-Fi 5, which is what most households still use, hopefully I can answer some of your questions in this video. Today we're going to take a look at the TaoTronics Mesh Wi-Fi system. This is an affordable mesh router setup that can help eliminate dead zones within your current network. This product, including pricing plus several other deals, will have affiliate links below in the video description. In a previous video, I reviewed my current Wi-Fi 6 mesh routers and I got some comments about the price being a bit expensive. So the TaoTronics team was kind enough to send out a more budget-friendly option that still offers great performance. I have the 3-pack here, but you can get a 1 or 2-pack as well. Before we dive into this system, let me break down what a mesh network is and why you should have one. In a traditional home network, there is normally one Wi-Fi router in a single location, and that one router is responsible for carrying the signal throughout the entire house. A mesh router system is a number of routers that operate as a single unit. You have the main router connected to your modem, then every other router you add to the network is connected wirelessly. Having more than one router sending the signal means you can connect more of your devices in more areas of your home. Performing speed tests in different spots in your house will give you a pretty good idea about how much range your main router has, and I recommend adding your additional mesh units right outside the range of the main. My home has 3 levels, so I place one unit on each floor to make sure my devices don't suffer in performance just because I move out of my home office. You might hear the mesh units referred to as hubs or even access points. Regardless of the name or brand of the system you decide on, each unit in your pack communicates with each other in the same way. If you want to eliminate those areas where you normally expect a slow connection or even no internet connection, a mesh router setup is the way to go. Wherever you have an available power outlet, you can add a unit. This type of system is super flexible and it can accommodate small apartments all the way up to 6,000 plus square feet homes. If you have any specific questions, let me know down in the comments section and I'll try to help you out. So let's check out what comes in the box of the TaoTronics Mesh system. We get the router units, one Ethernet cable, the power adapters, and the quick installation guide. Each unit has the on-off switch, a reset button, the WAN port for connecting your modem, 3 LAN or Ethernet ports, and a USB 3.0 port for connecting storage devices. It might seem like a no-brainer for each individual router to have a few LAN ports, but I've tested some different and more expensive mesh systems that had a main router with all the ports, then the second router was just a hub with no Ethernet option at all. The design is pretty neat, it looks modern. The router is about the same size as one of my modems. I know some people have their router sitting on the desk, so it shouldn't be an eyesore if you decide to get this one. I do wish there was a black color option, but aesthetics doesn't dictate performance here. Before setting up the new mesh system, I recommend doing a quick speed test on your primary device to see what kind of numbers you're working with before the change, so you can easily compare after the upgrade. The whole point of the change is to improve overall coverage and get speeds as close as possible to what you're paying your internet provider for. Now, the setup process is easy and straightforward using the app. Android users can download the app from the Google Play Store, and iPhone users can install from the App Store. You will need to input your email address to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts and you should be up and running in around 10 minutes. I'm not going to cover all the features available on this system and in the app, but there are quite a few ranging from basic to advanced. If you need parental controls, setting up a VPN, enabling a guest network, naming each connected device, blacklisting and whitelisting, you have all of those and many more in what I feel is an easy to use app. Overall, my experience has been a positive one, but I have to mention one thing I don't like. The router is completely app controlled. I know a lot of people, especially in the tech world, that like to manage their network using a web browser. I would definitely like that option. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this one. If you like this video and want to see more from me, hit the like button. If you feel like it, Jump down in the comment section and let me know you like it. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you tap the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I post new content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.